Hi! In front of me is WIKO U Pulse, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, go into Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now tap on Allow in the pop-ups. And click on all of your pictures that you wish to add. You can also select the gallery section. Pick them from here, but this time tap on Add at the top right corner. If you want to, you can also tap on Gallery. So sorry, misclick. Click on Folders. Hold one of your photos over here and tap on Open at the top right corner as well. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!